What's up everyone, today we're going to show you how to make banana bread in our Kasori air fryer. Let's get started. In a bowl we're going to add 1 ripe banana and 1 egg. Let's mash that up. Next let's add 2 tablespoons of white sugar or brown sugar, a 1/4 cup oil, 1/4 cup milk, and some vanilla. Too much again. We're going to give that a mix. We're going to sift in 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Let's mix. Okay, we're going to pop this into our pan that is buttered and powdered sugar, and we're going to go ahead and preheat our Kasori air fryer. First, let's turn it on. Okay, because we want to preheat it, let's press the preheat button. Now let's go down to 320 degrees. And let's press the start button. Okay, let's put our banana bread in our Kasori air fryer for 25 to 30 minutes. Alright everyone, we really hope you enjoyed watching us make banana bread in our Kasori air fryer. It was really fun to make, but for your next step, make sure to click this video right here. We show you how to make an air fryer cake that is to die for. If you like this video, you're going to love that. But with that out of the way, we hope you enjoyed. We'll see you in our next video.